Here's my 2001 Vornado 679 box fan. Had this since 2014, 2015. It was one of the last ones, old new stock, one of the last ones that Amazon sold at that time. Vornado has stopped making this altogether. They now make the 673, which is the newer model. Now, one of the main things I don't understand about Vornado is why in the world do they have the model numbers backwards? The older model is the 679. The newer model is the 673. I don't understand that. Okay? It's kind of like the large panel model. The older large panel model is the 279. But the newer large panel model is the 270. So I don't know where to get that from. That's a little backwards to me. In fact, that is backwards. But, oh well, that's Vornado. Anyways, let's go ahead and run this. It's a very powerful flat panel box fan, although the larger model is far more powerful. It moves up to 80 feet of air. I almost started to get it. They do actually have it used like new. I almost started to get it, but unfortunately, I will not be getting it because I don't have the room. I don't have the room, so don't get on here asking me, am I going to get it? The answer is no. I told you all what I got coming. Aerospeed Home, rebranded Home for the company Home. Then I have the HT908 and that little Chinese fan coming, and I'm done. Y'all get on here being rude about that. I'm not going to interact with y'all. I'm not going to entertain that. I'm just going to find your channel and block you. It's that simple. Okay? So you might want to consider keeping all that to yourself. Medium and then low. And thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe, share, love, and like. Lamont Fans and Variety. And out. See y'all soon. God bless you and gone.